So I sit here on my small terrace, and I think of you, my friend. A warm drink in my hand, black tea with honey and spice, and I watch as all of these city dwellers make their way home for the night. Your sweater wrapped around me loosely, a pour stand-in for your embrace. My skin, it itches from the fibers, but brings a smile to my solemn face. And the sun, it's slowly setting down behind Olympian mounds, and up from other open windows the gentle wind brings me faint sounds, and it makes me think of you. Joni sings of a free woman from the loft one story below, and a distant plane 747 en route to good old Toronto. And I can hear footsteps from the space just above my head, a body following its routine, seeking comfort from a squeaky bed, and it makes me think of you. Of you. The world, it falls into silence, while the sky, it darkens but for stars. I can hear your voice, it's like an echo. You are with me, though you are far. And the lights go out around the city, while minds waltz within